Hello everybody, we're going to change the oil on the 2016 RZR 900 Trail Edition. So let's get started. The oil filter is in the back. Well, where you add the oil is in the back. You got to take the seat out to change the oil filter. So right here's the oil filler cap right here. Then around here, you got to pull the seat out to get to the oil filter. At least it should come out of there. What the heck? Never mind, you don't have to take the seat out to change the oil filter. The oil filter's right here. Right here's the oil filter. So now we're going to drain the oil. So let me get the stuff to take the plug out. So right here's this. We had to climb under it to take the plug out so it can drain. Oh. Right here's where the oil plug is. Right there. They don't make it very convenient, that's for sure. No. Gosh, that sucker's tight. That oil plug's tight. I don't know why they're so tight on these four. There we go. Broke loose good. Alright. Now we'll get the oil pan. Right there's the supervisor watching. There we go. Now we'll let that drain out. I got a new plug and washer for it. I like to change them out every once in a while. Right there. Got a new one right here. That new one on. There's that. Now I gotta get a pair of pliers to pull this off. Right there, supervising the job. Yeah, drain into the pan. Alright, got the old plug off. We'll save this old one just in case we need it again for some unknown reason or something. It's kind of stripped out in there. That's why I like to change them. They get stripped out after a couple of uses. You can see the new one there, and there's the old one. The oil's about drained out now. Is it still draining? We could probably change the oil filter while we'll wait to change the oil filter till we put the plug back in. These Polaris, you can just get a oil change kit for these. And it comes with the oil filter and the oil, the exact amount of oil you need for it. And they come with a new crush washer, but we're using the new plug. So we'll save that. Does it look like it's about drained now? Yep, that looks like that does it. So now, crawl back under there. Alright. Alright, we got the supervisor here. Now just hand tighten it. Not too crazy tight, just tight enough to keep it from backing out. Right there is good. Perfect. Now we can take the oil filter off and change it. Change. Alrighty, let's go over here. Wipe this off some. Alright, you put a rag under here because it's probably going to leak some oil when I pull that off. Yep, sure did. Alright, wipe that off. Then we'll set this off to the side and drain it when we get the oil change, after we get the oil changed. When we're done, need some more rags. Alright. Now, we'll put some oil in this filter. Like so. Set that there. Then we'll wipe some of this oil around this gasket around here, so it makes a good seal. Make sure that face of that is cleaned off good. Alright, we'll add a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Come on, there you go. Just like that. Then we'll just hand tighten it with a rag. Alright, hand tight. Wipe some more of the soil out of it. Alright. Now we'll fill the engine up with the oil. It's 2.5 quarts. They give you a half quart and 2 full quarts. There's a half. Right here's a full quart. Gotta add 2 more quarts. Oh crap. Got some on the engine there. Sorry. Probably should have used a funnel. It's alright, it wasn't much. Just a little bit. There's almost all of it for that one. Alright. 1 more quart. Almost all of it. There we go. Now we'll wipe some of the excess oil off of there. Wipe that off. Wipe this cap off. Put this back on there. Alright. Now we're going to pull this air filter out and see how dusty it is. Probably knock the dust off of it. That's pretty dusty. Look at that. Yeah, look at that dust coming out of it. Probably need to change this here soon too. That'll probably be the next thing. That's a lot of dust on it. All right, we'll change that next time. There's that. There's that. Now we'll put these lids on it. Then we'll go check the oil real quick. Then we'll start it and check it again. I can get a paper towel here. Right here's where you check the oil too. It's right by the right there's perfect. You can see it right there. The second hole. Check it one more time to double check, then we'll start it and check it again. Right there. You see it perfect. That's why the kits are nice. Comes with the exact amount of oil that you need. Now we'll start it and check it again. And then I gotta hold the brake. Gotta hold the brake down. Let it run here a couple seconds. All right. There, we'll let that set a second. Check it one more time. There, perfect. Now we put this cover back on it. Like that. Then we put this other cover back on there. Like this. Like that, and simple as that. And that's how you change the oil on the 2016 Razor Trail Edition by Polaris. And thank you for watching our video. Hope to see you back next time for our next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.